All right, so we've definitely got ash all over for me running that Flue pipe cleaner brush thing. So we definitely got the rainfly and spark arrestor pretty good, I believe. So I already did the top portion where the spark arrestor and rain cap is. And just coming down. Alright, now I'll switch out this rod. Alright, come on. Get off there. All right, keep coming down. All right, switch this rod out. Ooh, the rods are hot. I have that all taped up thinking that I was gonna get all kinds of nasty stuff all over. And I was real tentative when I first started, figuring that would happen, but it never did. All right, I believe this is the last rod, which puts us like right at the damper. I think it's about to pop out, and I think once that thing spins inside there, it'll make a mess, so I want to be real careful. And there it is. It'll set you free. All right, and that is a chimney sweep.